If you don't have a filming setup for vlogging, or if you're a traveler who doesn't like to carry too much filming equipment with you, like studio lights, stands, camera, big ass microphone, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Weekday Nights with Jim and H. So today I'll be showing you the behind the scenes on how I make my ASMR videos straight from my iPhone. I'm using most of the product from this brand called Ulanzi because they have the most innovative pieces that I've ever seen, and let me share them to you. One of the biggest struggle with filming on your phone is to have the best quality video, and to do so you have to use your back camera, and the thing is you cannot see yourself. But say goodbye to blind shooting because this thing will solve your problem. This is the Ulanzi phone clip and flip mirror kit, where you can see the screen straight from the mirror. And just when you thought you've already solved your problem, not yet, because you can expand this thing and make it your microphone and light stand. Literally a portable phone clip with mirror, light stand and mic stand. A 4-in-1 product. I'll be using my tripod right here, but you can use whatever you have. Screw it up like so and connect your light up here. Legit the best thing that I've ever purchased. It's very lightweight, portable, and you can adjust the brightness as well as the colors. Perfect for backdrop, and all you need is a white wall. On the other side is where you put your microphone, but I don't need it because I have the coolest Bluetooth microphone right here, and this is the Ulanzi J12 wireless microphone, where you just plug this receiver into your phone, turn on your mic, and you're good to go. How to connect, plug and play, no setup, no app, no nothing. So easy and convenient. She works smart, not hard. Now we're all set up, ready to film. This took me like what, 5 minutes? Definitely. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, follow me on socials so we can stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one.